Hello, so today we're going to learn about quotations and sales order on the point of sales. So let's say, for example, someone came and asked for a quotation or a customer, and then you would like to give them a quotation, and then this quotation to be shown on the point of sales when they come to do a checkup. Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. So today we are going to look at quotations and sales order on the point of sales. So as you know, quotation and sales order are found on the sales application. But we can be able to connect it with the point of sale where a customer can come to a company or a shop and request for a quotation. Then once they come to do a checkout, we can always use our point of sale to be able to finalize the deal. So instead of going back to the point of sale or closing the register, then going to the sales application. So to do this, I'll go to the sales application. So once I go to the sales application, I'm going to click on this new button. So once I click on the new button, I'm going to select maybe the customer. So let's say it's Anita Oliver. If their names are not available, you can always add them on the database. So once I do like this, as you can see, I have the button to create and edit. So for now, I'll just use a customer name that is already on our database. Then I can see the expiry date, the quotation date, and the pricing. So if I would want to change this, I can always change them by just clicking on either of the field and changing that. So just go to the add a product now. And let's say we were working on the cabinet with doors. So the price that we have quoted is that we're going to charge them 2,500, and we're going to just leave the discount as it is. So the total amount will be 2,500. So I'm going to just save, and then once I save, I'm going to confirm this to be a sales order. So as you can see, it's a sales order 45. So let's say now this customer went and they now came back while we were using our point of sales. So once I go to the point of sales, I can easily go to my let's say my point of sale, any of them. So for me, I just click on this, and then so for this, I'll go to my action button. Once I click on this, I will just go to this quotation and orders. Once I click on it, as you can see, we can see all the quotation and orders that have been made through our sales application. So now I'll just go to this one that we have just made in a few minutes ago. So as you can see, it's this client, and then the amount is this, and sales order 45. So once I click on it, I have three ways to choose this. Settle the order. So let's say, for example, the cabinet has already been done, and we need to settle that order by payment. Or if, for example, it has not been made and I want first to collect a down payment, I can always collect a down payment in terms of percentage or fixed amount. So let's say, for example, I have not made the cabinet and I would want to collect the first payment of like 30%, and then later they pay the rest 70% once the cabinet is ready. So I'll just click on that. And once I click on that, I'll just apply how much. So I can always click like this. So we have some that are here. I can always just write like this. So right now I've just chosen 30%, which is 750. So once I click on OK, it comes just here, and I can see it's on sales order 45, it's one, and this is the amount that we need to pay. So I'll just click on payment, and the customer comes automatically. So once I click on payment, I can choose the payment method, and I can always validate. So let's say, for example, now we have already completed working on the cabinet, and we did now the full payment. So just click again on the action, then quotation and orders. And as you can see now, the same case, but now I would want to settle the order. So once I do like this, as you can see, automatically it knows that there was a down payment of 750, and then now the total amount was this. So it means they are supposed to pay me this amount now. Same case, the customer is already selected, and once I click on payment, the amount they need to pay me now is this. Now choose my payment method and click validate. So that's how you can go to use a point of sales application to be able to handle or settle quotations and orders. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.